The wipeout tool creates a polygonal area that masks underlying objects with the current background color. The wipeout area is bounded by a frame that you can turn on or off. You can also choose to display the frame on screen and have it hidden for plotting. In a previous lesson, we added revision clouds to indicate the walls and doors which need to be demolished in the floor plan. In this lesson, we're going to use the wipeout tool to see what the space will look like with the walls and doors removed. I select the wipeout tool from the markup panel on the Annotate tab. I go around the area, picking points to select a boundary around the area which I want to be concealed. To hide the wipeout boundary, I right-click and select Repeat Wipeout. I select the Frames option. I can select On, Off, or Display, but do not plot. I select Off. The wipeout frame's visibility is turned off. I'm going to insert a door block in the center of the remaining wall. I select the Insert ribbon. I select the Insert Block tool. I select the drop-down to launch the Blocks palette. I select the Current Drawing tab. I scroll down until I see the dynamic door block. I drag and drop the door block into my drawing to place the door. I want the door to be on the same layer as the other doors. To do that, I'm going to use the Match Prop tool. I select Match Properties from the window. I select a cyan door as the source object, and then select the door I just placed. I press Enter. The door now is on the correct layer. I hover over the arrow control on the door block and select Non-Threshold Door. The lines displaying the threshold are no longer displayed. I use the block grips to adjust the size of the door to 800 millimeters. Next, I'm going to use the wipeout tool to hide the wall lines inside the door threshold using a polyline. I select the Polyline tool from the Draw panel on the Home tab. I select the inside points of the door to draw the polyline. If I need to, I can use a multifunctional grip to add a vertex to the polyline and adjust the shape. I right-click and select Recent Input Wipeout. I select the Polyline option on the command prompt. I select the polyline. AutoCAD prompts me to see if I want to erase the polyline. I select Yes. The walls are now masked as well. In this lesson, we used wipeouts to mask some elements in our drawing to see how changes would appear. The wipeout tool is useful when you want to explore different options without having to delete or modify existing elements in your drawing.